Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am kicking off a new vlog today in the bedroom because I wanted to show you guys my outfit before I head out for the day. Today I am grabbing lunch with some blogger friends. I'm gonna be helping my friend Mary Helen look for a wedding dress, and then I'm gonna be taking a meeting with Bethany. If you guys remember, she was my intern. We're gonna be talking about some LIKEYOU stuff, and then I'm hanging with my friend Malia tonight. So I thought I would vlog and just show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is my outfit today, and I've got on this amazing Madewell jumpsuit that is the best color I've ever seen. I love the way that it looks on the top, and then it does have a drawstring on the inside where you can make it kind of fit your waist. I am obsessed with this look. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've worn in a really long time. I've got on my Doc Martens. You guys know I love my combat boots, so I am wearing those to kind of top off this utility look, and then I've got on this little Madewell crossbody bag because I'm carrying my camera with me, and this thing holds literally so much. For my earrings, I've got on these new Madewell hoops, and I'm obsessed with them. They're super lightweight, you can wear them all day, and I think they just complete the outfit. So this is what I am wearing, and I don't know, I'm just really into this look. So I am at the Dress Theory in Mary Helen's bag, getting changed into her first dress. I'm helping her look for a wedding dress, but we're at the Dress Theory, and this is where I got my wedding dress. I got a Sarah 7 fitted silk dress, and then I had a custom skirt over it. But I love the Dress Theory. If you guys are in Nashville and you're looking for a great place to get a dress, I highly suggest this place. They have a lot of boho, they have glam dresses, they have some stunning beaded ones. Like, their dresses are my favorite. And so they just have a lot of different designers here that are a little bit more modern. But I went with the Sarah 7 because I wanted it to be very classic. So my dress was like pretty much like a slip dress almost. All right, first one, how are you feeling?
Honestly, love it. Didn't think I would.
Looking hot though.
Probably won't get it.
So this part is my favorite because this is all of the ball gowns. Look at these dresses. And this one, oh my gosh, so pretty. Malia and I are on a date. This is our date night, and we are at
Container Store.
Look at this. Actually, I have this. I got it on Amazon. It's beautiful.
This is my dream. Pink laundry basket.
Like this little, that's so cute. Tiny jars.
Baby.
We love tiny jars. What would you put in that?
Bone brush shots.
It's a little lemon container, tomato onion container, sliced cheese container, cream cheese container.
For my kumquats.
Okay, so I ended up at Madewell because we're at the mall, and how could I not end up here? But I found the pants that I've been looking for. They're like a waxed denim. They have one pair in my size, 40% off. Fingers crossed they fit. And then I have found a couple other tops that I might try on because it's 40% off. Okay, so these are the pants, and I actually think they're a little bit too big, which is bumming me out because I think they're really cute, but they just kind of like wrinkle in a weird place. This top though is super cute. I love this color. Probably shouldn't spend the money, but I think this is so stinking cute. Okay, so I actually really like this top. It's like a heathered yellow, and this one is $54, but it's 40% off, so that's actually a really good price. And I have this exact sweater in tan, and I love it, so I'm thinking about getting this one because it's a really good deal. All right, Trader Joe's haul. White cheddar puffs.
Oh my gosh.
Dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Ginger booch, and then Malia got all the healthy stuff because she's making soup. Well, we're making soup.
Super duper.
The soup. I actually haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if it's good, but it looks good. It's time. Time for what?
Colbajorn!
That's not even how you say it.
Colbajorn. How would you say that?
That is not Corbajorn.
No, Colbajorn. There's no.
We are putting together.
Colbajorn. Colbajorn.
You're Swedish. You should know how to say this.
Colbajorn.
We're finally putting together our IKEA shelf, and this is like a 2-part pantry. So I wanted to do it when I did my organizing video, but honestly, this box is like a foot taller than me, so there's no way I was gonna be able to do it without J-Waz. So I suckered him in to build me
Yeah, and I'm
IKEA shelf.
I don't do anything anyways, so. Any knee pads for me?
Knee pads? Oh yeah, let me go get my knee pads out of the closet.
Alright, so this is me, and this is Chloe. X on Chloe. This is me, and this is Chloe,
wait.
wondering how to build it. This is me, and this is Chloe, the X on Chloe.
Do we need a drill for this or no? Oh, I like this color though. This is a good color. What? Already killing it. This is a lot harder than we thought. Do you know how to put together an IKEA shelf? We almost just built this entire thing backwards, but J-Waz, you so smart. Brilliant. This makes more sense now. We were like, how does the back wall not screw into the bottom? Because we put it on the front, so that's fine. Test the strength of your marriage by building 4 IKEA components. All right, we got one of them done. And J-Waz is already taking a break.
Hard work, man.
Keep popcorners. Riley, this is ridiculous. I feel like we did a decently good job. It's a shelf, so. Alright, now we're working on the big cabinet here. It's going very well for us so far. Fought the good fight and got it up, and now I gotta put the doors on. We've been doing this for like 3 hours. It's not funny, but it's funny. Look at this. We killed it. So we got shelf in here, put some food, got this to put our vacuum. And J-Waz only rage quit like 6 times. So we did a pretty great job, I would say. Okay, here is the cabinet styled, and we really just wanted to clear out a bunch of stuff that was in our cabinets that took up a lot of space, so it's like kind of cute but still cleared out our cabinets so we can put food and stuff in there. Then I decorated the top just a little bit. I want to get a hanging plant to go right there and drape off of the side, and we've got like some plates down here, cutting boards, some bowls, and here we've got all of our appliances and then some toilet paper as well. In this cabinet we've got some popcorners, some snacks, paper towels will probably go down there, some cookbooks, and then in this guy right here, we've got our vacuum, our broom, our grill set, and then some like Riley snacks and some trash bags that I just hung up, but looks so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching us build this cabinet. It feels so good to finally have this done. and like styled. But I'm gonna keep working on it and fixing some things around the kitchen. So we're gonna take these floating shelves down and a few other things, but we just want to get it feeling really good. If you enjoyed this video though, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you like this style vlog. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you want to stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!